Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Amandla. Amandla. Viva EFF, viva. Tata EFF, tata. Tata EFF, tata. Tata EFF, tata. Down with the ANC, down. Down with MK, down. Down with DA, down. Amandla. Thank you very much. Relevo our DSG and greet all our parents, Kamotente Mbaulu, and all the ground forces of the EFF in Ward 16, Mwate Municipality. We are here to remind you that Lenale a very important task under the leadership of the province and the sub-regional leadership to make this ward a people's ward. Kwakwati cannot remain what it is after this meeting today. They must hear that freedom is going to come in Ward 16 and is going to start on the 28th of May. Comrades, we are here to salute all those who are working the ground to make the EFF more relevant. Comrades, you were told that this organization is dying and it's a useless organization. And it only took Donald Trump to remind all of you that this is not a small organization. It was Donald Trump who said to Cyril Ramaphosa, you can't say this is a small organization because it is the only organization in South Africa that filled up FNB Stadium. And he said he never saw an empty seat. There were 100,000 people and more at the FNB Stadium. Why would you say yourself, as a fighter and a ground force, that your organization is a dying organization when the White House says this is the biggest organization in Africa and in South Africa? Comrades, they went to White House to complain about you, that you want your land, that you want jobs, that you want the banks and the mines to be returned into the hands of rightful owners. Batsama bo Cyril ba officing ya principala o kare ke ma teachere a tshwere bana ba banyane a re ko bona people are dying in South Africa. Ramaphosa could not defend South Africa. The whole president of South Africa ia ko America and say in America there is a crime in South Africa. Yes, we know that, but why do you say it in America? Because if you say it in America, they will no longer come to South Africa as tourists. Ramaphosa has killed the tourism of South Africa when he declared crime at the White House. Comrades, it doesn't matter who we are. When we go outside South Africa, especially in front of imperialism, we must close ranks. That Rupert goes and speak bad about his DA in White House in an attempt to impress his masters. We don't like John, we don't like DA, but don't speak bad about them to Trump. Come and speak bad in our own country. When we are outside the country, we must close ranks. The same goes to John Steenhuisen, matriculant, who went to White House and said, the EFF is a small party, that's why we kept it outside government. Today you know that the government of national unity is not to create jobs, is not to deliver roads, is not to build houses. The government of national unity, its work is to block the EFF from coming into power. That is its primary task, and they want to tell Donald Trump. They exist because of their hatred to the EFF. Let's go ke bo Ace Makashule ba re ba batla unity of black people. Ha Makashule a batla unity of black people. Why a Formula Spaza Shop says I as a joiner EFF that existed before he formed the Spaza Shop? Hona le leqheku ko Natala kwa le re ba re ke Zuma le re le batla unity le ba rena reunite le Zuma. We will never unite with Zuma who wants to kill the EFF. Will never unite with MK that exists to destroy the EFF. We are not friends to the enemies of the EFF. Whether Trump says the same thing about the two of us, we don't care. We must never be tempted to unite with the agents who want to destroy the EFF. If Zuma batla unity of black people, why did he form MK when there was EFF? Because how from a party you are already dividing people. You must join the existing organization that pursues the same agenda, which is the EFF. There is no unity they are talking about. They are pretentious about it. Zuma is about himself and about his family. That's why he went to form that Spaza Shop. Today, Kopi is complaining about Parys. Hi Tommy today. It's a little milekana kwa Ace Makashule khale. Anka dinto adisa ko Parys. Today urutlo contest mo Ward 16. A contest of young because he's the one who brought people from Parys to come and work a year at Kwakwatsi. He went to fetch the money and make sure that Parys looks like Paris, whereas we are suffering. Comrades, let's go la ba tempted to do wrong things. Le misleader ke batho ba ilongore ke bona ba corrupting service delivery. Comrades, we must defend our country against imperialism. The only organization that is hated by imperialists is the EFF. I will never be intimidated by America. I will never be intimidated by Donald Trump. They were speaking about me in that meeting at White House. If they were not gossiping about me, they should have called me into that meeting. I would have answered everything that Donald Trump wanted from us. Banchaba ba seba ka nna batho ba baholo ka dikhoneng ba tia transport ba ya ko America ba yo bua ka nna slege. If they are not scared of me, call me into that meeting. That nonsense that Trump did in America, he will never do that nonsense in my presence, because I will confront him here and there with the facts. Ramaphosa could not present the facts in front of Donald Trump. You've got a coward president. He left here. Ariana, he won't be bullied. When he arrived there, he was shaking. Atatazela, Achaba Donald Trump, another president scared of another president. Donald Trump said to him, when you say farmers, you mean white people. He kept quiet. Farmers do not mean white people. They are black farmers. They are white farmers. Ramaphosa is a farmer himself. He should have said to Donald Trump, no, farmers are not white. I'm a farmer myself. I am not white. Why didn't he present that simple fact before Donald Trump? Why didn't he say, there are so many people killed in South Africa, and majority of them are blacks. There is no white genocide in South Africa. Bammonchatsila with crosses. He opens his eyes in shock. I know South Africa with my eyes closed of South Africa. This picture does not belong to us. We don't have mass graves of white people in South Africa. Comrades, Donald Trump says to him, hey Ramaphosa, why are you not arresting this Julius Malema? Why is this Julius Malema not in jail? He can't respond with a simple fact that this song, Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer, was approved by the Constitutional Court. We are a constitutional democracy. We must defend the decisions of the court. He failed to defend the Constitutional Court. By failing to defend the Constitutional Court, it means he failed to protect the Constitution. And when you fail to protect the Constitution as a president of the country, you have failed in your primary duty of defending the sovereignty of South Africa. Ramaphosa is a failure, but you must understand one thing. When Trump says, why is this man not in jail? Why is this man not arrested? He simply means, why is this man not dead? Why are you not killing this man who wants to kill for white people? In that White House, my ticket was taken out. They called for my life with an attempt to silence me. They will never kill me again because where I am dead. Because black people are dead. Black people have got no dignity. Black people have got no human rights. Black people cannot determine their own destination. They are waiting on the white supremacists to tell them which direction to take. What is this life we are living of being cowards? I'm not going to be silenced by threat of violence. I'm not going to be silenced by threat of death. When you say don't jail him, Ramaphosa should have said, in South Africa we don't jail people like that. There are courts in South Africa, and the courts have said there is nothing wrong with this song. This is not my song. I did not compose this song. I found this song. The struggle heroes composed this song. All I'm doing is to defend the legacy of our struggle. This is a heritage of our struggle. This is the song that was sung by Peter Mokaba in the presence of Chris Hani, in the presence of Winnie Mandela. And therefore, I will never stop singing a song that Winnie Mandela sang before she died. That will be a betrayal to the struggle of our people. Comrades, when they say stop singing, kill the Boer, kill the farmer, they are going to say to you, stop demanding the land. Because you are offending white people, don't talk about the land. When you stop the land, they say black people must go back to Bantu education. There must be African schools. When you say no, they say no, that is not allowed. Today, a tender is given in White House without advertisement, where Rupert stands up and says, why is Elon Musk, Starlink, not given an opportunity in South Africa? Elon Musk's business cannot come to South Africa if it's not compliant with 30% BEE. What he did, Ramaphosa, after they asked him that, the following day, they issue out that they want to relax the BEE deals so that this Starlink can come into South Africa. There is no such a law in South Africa. That Starlink will not come into South Africa if it's not compliant with the BEE. We are not saying 30% must go to one individual. That 30% must go to black people, as many as possible, because we want to benefit from our own economy. Comrades, we must never be dictated to by business. I long told you, South Africa, that we are captured by Ruperts, that our country is run by Ruperts. How can a minister of international relations sit in a meeting? Oh, Mara, no, he's a good boy. He's a what is your problem? The whole Minister of International Relations goes and sit in a meeting that deals with international issues outside the country and never uttered a word. But businessmen, the golf players are speaking, but you, the politician, who's supposed to speak on those matters, you are quiet. Why do you still want to earn a salary after being quiet? Why can't we give this salary to those white people? Because they are the ones who are speaking there. All white people who were in that house from South Africa, all of them spoke. All of them, including John Steenhuisen. What gave them the ticket to speak on behalf of our country? It was their color. Only the color of their skin is the one that gave them permission to speak at the White House. Lamula was there. Kumbuzo was even worse. So why should we allow that? Comrades, this country will never be free as long as Ward 16 does not have clean water. Batho ba rona ba batla metsi a tlhweka, not metsi a nwa le di animal. We can't drink the same water with animals. We want piped water. Each and every house we mean, including Mukuku, there must be a tap inside Mukuku with clean water. Rebata mutlakasi in each and every house, in each and every Mukuku, there must be electricity. Why? Electricity is not luxury. It's a basic necessity, especially for our children who are studying at night. They cannot continue to study with a candle. Rebata mutlakas. And mutlakas almost strong wa tswana le Julius Malema. Not mutlakas wa tswana le Cyril Ramaphosa. Hapula itla wa disappear. Hauna le moya wa disappear. We want the reliable electricity. But in that electricity, Bonkonu must not pay for water and electricity. Because Bonkonu ba thola social grant. Ha mutho thola social grant, it means mutho can afford. That's why we are giving you social grant. How ka bereka puso? Or musadi wa hao or munao a bereka puso? When you reach the age, your social grant, are we told because one of you is working for government or used to work for government, therefore you can afford? Meaning, this money is only reserved for the poor. Now you say, they are poor, you give them social grants, which we are happy about because we want to increase those social grants as the EFF so that the poor can live better than the dogs of the president of South Africa. But how do you say they are poor and you give them money? And you come at night and you say pay for water and electricity from the same money that you said you are giving to the poor. We want to use a SASSA database. Rikenye kongwathe municipality. Automatically, inche batho kaofela out of the system ya opatela mutlakase le metsi, if they are on the list ya SASSA, it means they are poor. They can't afford to pay for water and electricity. Fighters, rebatla ma to the RDP house. Jadi proper, not in Toseokarke matchbox houses. Rebata dintlo tse monate. Di be le di corner from outside. Ka moare ntlo ke passage ngwaneso. Ntwela ya passage is not luxury. It's separatable lao le dining le cage. Teja ANC how ru Roberts ur umobo lao ke kamora Roberts. How to bona onion mo pele ao same time. How traveling yana or before ke bona onioni how refela onion. Rebata matlu They are divided inside. They must have inside bathroom. And bathroom yaw flusher. Flushing is not luxury. Hauna le khuwa le la hopo le le tsenang toilet ya mokoti. All white people go to a flushing toilet. That's why kwakwati hauna di hopo tsa makhuwa, because you don't have a flushing toilet. Di hopo tsa makhuwa di ko toropong. They know wherever batla toilet, they must find a flushing toilet. So how do you open the di flushing toilet? When I was not flushing toilet, it means you are worse than the white hopos. Rebata ubele bathroom mo, ubele di kamora, ubele kamora, and it be divided more, not ka one brick, two bricks. Ubele kamora batu baba hulu, ubele kamora batu baba nyane. Ore batho ba baholo ba etsa ntho tsa batho ba baholo, ba banyane ba ska utlwa ntho tsa batho ba baholo. Yalo tla ruru o re ba busy le motho wa o ka mo o re ke a mo tshwara ngwana ba re mama o tsheha eng ka mo a re batle ntho eo ha e khutlisi seriti ha e di bana ba rena ba hole ba na le confidence. Re batla bana ba tswe from the houses tselungu re ba khutla o seng di chomi tsa bona di ba khapa ba tso tansa mutantsho ba ska re ndrope khone a re ndrope mo gating ke mo hesu mona, because they will be proud of those houses. Comrades, re batla mesebetsi that each and every house ha re pallwa at least ube le motho wa one in each and every house wa sebetsang. Why ka mo motseng o ba sebetsa lapa kaofela ka next door ha ona motho wa sebetsang? Ntweo a ra tshwanela o etsa. Stats SA ba swantse ba tsene ba etsa census house by house, ba botse hona le motho wa sebetsang. If the answer is no, that house must be flagged, or deliberately there must be a job in that particular house, so that we don't have a single house in South Africa without someone working. Comrades, re batla mesebetsi ya ngwathe ya Free State kaofela e be transparent. EPWP as a branch ya ANC ke a rona kaofela, the people of South Africa. So re batla hore mesebetsi ya EPWP o boletse councillor a bua ka taba ya ho khatha byang ha o batle certificate. He ba re una le dipos tse 20 tsa o khatha byang. Councillor, when you take over ska ba ira bosiu, ntho tsa bosiu di tsamaya le boloi a re di batle. Ha o senya ke qualification e tla ona mo ground mo o bitse community hore hona le diposo tse 20 ba batla batho ba o khatha jwang. Write your name o latlele ka moretse fudua re ntshe mabitso a 20. Le wena o ka tsamaya o sa thola mosebetsi o tsamaya o le satisfied, because wa tseba hore batho ba hirilwe ko kae ka nako mang. Not the kruku tse re nwa le tsona jwala the whole night. Ha re na re o tsela di tsena kwa councillor, ha re tsoa o se motho wa pere overall he banna makine re le kaofela mabane wena o ithola kae. Ha re batle ntwe ya makhanselara ya o robala le bana ba rona ba re before ba ba fa bazari ba batla o robala le bona e tshwantse e fele ntweo. Ya re before ba ba fa mosebetsi ba batla o robala le bona e tshwantse e fele ntweo. A re sa hira ka thobalano, re hira ka ID ya South Africa, ra hira ka di qualification. Everybody must get a job. Comrades, we cannot allow this suffering of our people to continue under our watch. Protest won't bring anything. Let's not burn tires. Let's not do. We have a chance to remove these people on the 28th, and o ya mo o sa chisele ke silo o beta umbrella wa re makeup ganu o beta decision engwe ya buima hampi mola without anyone being arrested. Ra kopa bonkgono le o pule ka nako ya COVID hore ne ba ntsha di-food parcel mo ba di ntšha ka malapa ka difane ba le jampa ha ba tla today ba etsa door to door ba re ko lena nkgono re kopa o mvoutele o re ko bona o tla voutela ke di-food parcel tsela o ne o di ntšha ka COVID o e fa ma-ANC ko Mpumalanga ka COVID ra ba ra thola councilora ya ANC I reversa code 14 into his yard. It's already food parcel. Karale ba rumpia ban. Traga code 14. Only one. Abasana ditlong, they are not ashamed. So we need to stop that. We want free education for our children. And that education is on to make a creche. Early childhood development must be here in our townships, must be close to our houses. Bana ba rena ba ska ruta ke batho fela, ba rute ke batho ba ba qualified, ba kgona ho ruta bana. Every uniform, ha ba thoma primary ba kenya uniform until matric, that must be free. Ntho ya uniform o ke rata, because uniform e haida botlhoki ba rona ko lapeng. Kaofela rena re shebala the same ha re apere uniform. Mara ha re thoma hore motho a reke uniform o mongwe o hloka setlhako. And therefore that poverty is going to be displayed. We need all our children to be equal. Ha ke bua ntho e bonkgono ba re ko nna batho ba ANC le di-clever blacks o nka ka tšhelete ya o reka ba o fa bana free uniform. Ke roing ka mola re nkang tšhelete ya o reka uniform ya mapantiti ya mahala. Ka re ba fa mapantiti free uniform. Ba ra hore bana ba rena ba thole ba commit crime before ba kry free uniform. In prison, ka tronkong, everything is for free. Bana le motlakase, bana le flushing toilet, ba ja. Everything is secured. Mara outside, bana ba rona ba swantse ba yo robala le di-sugar daddy hore ba kgone ho kry-a dijo, hore ba kgone ho etela ka hosane ba ye sekolong before ba ba fa feeding scheme. In between the first class and the break, they have not eaten a breakfast. But the prisoner has eaten a breakfast. It cannot be correct. Bana aba je kaofela ha ba fitla sekolong ba je ka break ba je le ba ya ko hae, so that we guarantee hore bana ba ha ba tlo etsa ntho tse slege ko ntle ba batla dijo. Comrades, re batla bana ba rona kaofela ba banana kaofela, all girl children ko sekolong ha ba kena le ko tleliniking ba swantse ba kry free sanitary pads. The pads di fuwe mahala because mosebetsi wa di pads is not a choice, it's a natural calling. And whether you afford or you afford, you are affected by that. So we need to protect a girl child, because many of them ha ba le ko dikgweding ha ba ile ko sekolong for 7 days, they miss important lessons. So we want our children to be at school at all times. But hey, chelta di petse roing kakai. Karia di condom tša mahala le nka kai. Kar musebetsi wa di condom is not a natural calling, it's a choice. Wa chooser. Why repatela for choice of other people? Let's pay for a natural call. Let's give all the girl children free sanitary pads. Comrades, let's protect our children. Let's protect all women. Let's make sure South Africa is safe for our children. Comrade, ababatli EFF ibeteng, babatla wi bolaya. ba funda le di-political party hore di ye di o bolaya EFF. Why? Because ha EFF e ka shwa, case tsa o tshwana le bo case ya botswetswe, it will never be taken serious. Today they took a decision ya hore they will not prosecute batho ba ba repileng tswetswe. We are going to pursue private prosecution on behalf of the family, and we are going to make sure that Tswetswe get the best medical care so that she doesn't leave the trauma she has experienced. Imagine if that was a white child, a lot of people would have been arrested. So fighters, EFF, kiona lelwana la. Ko parlamente, habai batli, maloba mo, re tsolwa re lwantsha VAT, ba re kgante re etsa di joke, raya ko court here, this VAT must not come in. We don't want VAT. Today, VAT is out. We are starting a new battle. Akere batho ba ke ditsotsi ba ANC, ha o ba shapa ka mo batla kam. Re ba shapile ka VAT, re sa relaxitse re monate, ba re no petrol levy. Hey, tsotsi cheban. Petrol levy ewe, le taxi, le VAT is the same thing. Even the levy is worse because petrol affects everyone, affects everything. Ha bakery itswa ko toropong, itlamo, already it must pay. Which means the price of bread is going to go high. Tomorrow, but by a misebetsing, ha levy ya petrol ya kodim, inyuluwa. It means taxi, chelete ya taxi, ya nyuluwa leona. Hauna nto esa nyuluwing, ha petrol levy nyuluwa. So we are fighting that in parliament. Or arriba atli, the same way sabatlim vet, leona arriba atli. Fighters, relwanela urbana, kaufela bona, bana, kodi kolong, ba tseneng ko tertiary, ba kolotangi, tertiary, the call fees tsa bona, di cancelwe, the fees, all of them. We want the student debt cancelled. Bana baba create results. Ba yo khona ho etsa ntho o sheba mesebetsi, ba tshwere di qualification. Let us cancel the student debt to restore the dignity of young people of South Africa. I'm very happy, Councillor, and I agree with you. There shouldn't be any corner where there's no Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is not luxury, it's information, and information is life. Starlink, it doesn't mean we are opposed to Wi-Fi. It doesn't mean we are opposed to information. Rebata balatele molao wa South Africa. Rebata, every school must have Wi-Fi. Every public space must have Wi-Fi. Every clinic, every hospital must have a Wi-Fi. Because the more we're informed, the more we're able to take informed decisions. Comrades, clinic I sebetse 24 hours. Because batho ba kuli ka 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock ya motsheare. How decide to row after 4:30 ke sa kula? Re batla hore ntwe e bereke 24/7, but not just, it can't just be called a clinic because ke moao. It must have an ambulance. It must have sophisticated medical equipment inside that building. It means inside that building, that's why it's a shebin. Yeba riki clinic, how na ditlhare. How ke akula, ke bola ke matlo, ba o fa panado. How fitla re mangwele baba panado. O re bana dingaka tja di le sekolong for 7 years, o ithuta ka panado. Bano refa panado, everything. So that panado arrangement must come to an end. Rebata hore in our clinic there must be medication. Comrades, where I come from, Koskukuni, Meo Mongoila, ko clinicing, she was pregnant. Ha fitla It was 4:30. O ba shebile ba kwala kliniki o re ke a matha. It's very difficult. Ba kwala mo pele hae ba re the clinic is closed. A re batho beso ke nako, I'm about to deliver, but hey, it's closed. Meo a be a belega ngwana right at the gate of a clinic. Ma security le di nurse di mo shebile ba rile ba kwetse. What is more painful, ngwano a be a tlhokofala. That child died in front of the people who must save life. That's why we are saying clinics must operate 24/7, because it can be you tomorrow who needs that emergency service. That's why we must protect you now. Fighters, harlwane le corruption ya mo Free State. Pleke e corrupt. Hona le premier mo. Premier e ai utsu e re komkeki. Wa utsu o fa le monnae ke ena. Monnae ki speaker ko Mangaung. Ba bethalana ka javelin o mongwe o fosha ka kwa, o mongwe o fosha ka kwa. Ba utswa tšhelete ya setšhaba sa mo Free State. Premier eo in that legislature, comrade, must never find peace. Every time she appears at the legislature, every time she appears at the communities, you must remind her of a corruption and that we don't want corrupt politicians. Comrades, 28 is the day. Bonkgono ke a le kopa ke a tseba le a morata Mandela. Le ska ba la tloa le re lo votela Mandela. Mandela o robetse ko qunu. Let him rest in peace. Le mo votage Mandela ke motho wa lona re a morata kaofela. Mara ba se Mandela ba ke mashodu. He ba re nkgono ko wena wa Mandela o re ke nna wa Mandela, mara not ola wa khale. Ke batla Mandela wa today. Ba re ko fore ke batla Julius Malema, ke ena Mandela wa rona today. He bonkgono Mandela o ntshile le ntho hore ke sale ke le tlhokometse. So ke batla o le tlhokomela. We want to take care of you. Ha le tswa o seng ka di 27 ba special vote, ka di 28 le o pule future ya bana ba lena. O ra o le motswadi o tswa every day o shebile ngwana hao a sokola a tswa sekolo, mara ngwana wa le councilor la ANC a sa tsena sekolo a thotse mosebetsi. Ntho le o pule ka 27 ka 28 ha o tsamaya mo tseleng ya gravel o bula ke dust o tsamaye o re I'm going to solve this problem today. Even if I vote alone against this gravel road, I'm voting against this gravel road today. Fighters, 28, Harbatli youth, Inoyuala. All of you young people, the future belongs to your hands. Stop messing up your future by leaving it in the hands of those who are corrupt. Hartsuwaka 28, no alcohol. How ubotse batho ba nwang jwala ka tšatši le ba yo pheta mabaka ama important ha o nwewe. Re tswa o seng ra yo pheta mabaka ama important, ra be re khutla re nna ka mo tlase a sefate re bitsa e batang re ketebo re sebeditse today re tšontšha mashodu ANC. So the youth must be in the forefront for change. The change starts with you. The change does not come from Polokwane. The change does not come from Johannesburg. The change is in your hands. You have to decide whether you want to change your lives for the better. Nka chelete by famba na ba reng ke child grant. We divide ka 30. It will give you an amount. Yelongor how is sheba. Dinchacha Ramaphosa, they don't eat that amount per day. The money that they give to our children per month is given to the dogs of Ramaphosa per day. How your voter uska misleader ki chelete ya bana tšhelete eo a se ya ANC ke vet ye o e patelang wena every time how you vota. Tloela o misleader ke di-social grants. 350 eo a se tšhelete ntho eo na re batla o e oketsa bana ba rona ha re sa lefe mesebetsi re swantse re lefe tšhelete, especially ba tswang sekolong ba re thuto e a patela, e patele in a literal meaning. So o ska misleader ke 370 or 350 what high na ANC mpha tšhelete. They are suppressing your feelings. They are using money to mislead you. Take the 370, vote the EFF. Hey, batla ka di food parcel, nka food parcel. Vote EFF. Ha batla ka di keeper tše yellow, tšeo ka re ke custard and jelly, take. O tlamaye bosiu ska se apara skipa se o tlo tshwara ke nightmare. Nka skipa seo sa ANC ke tšhelete ya rena mašodi ao a rekile di keeper ka tšhelete ya rena. O nke skipa o kwale munyako re thibe ditweba di ska kena ka skipa se sa ANC. So fighters, we have an appointment on the 28th. Well, I was just here to remind you about your suffering. About the daily struggles that you experience every day. This is an opportunity once more. As EFF, we will never stop fighting for you because we don't have to be voted for us to love you. We love black people. We will fight for black people. We'll represent them. 9% that we have in parliament, it is felt in America. It is very powerful. It is all over the world. The first black man to turn Oval Office into a cinema is speaking to you now. No one has ever done that in history except the man before you. So, comrades, it's not about those issues of numbers. It's about content. It's about superior logic. The issues that we raise, whether we're 9% or not, they are so powerful that they are felt all over Africa and the world. For example, unale mokhatlo mo ba re ke MK, unale more numbers than the EFF, mara ke di stupid combined ka moka o fela. Ba tshwana le ntata bona, same. Ha ba re ba bua o twi next ka ko parlamente, ba tshwere di nomoro for nothing. So, comrades, let's make sure that 28th of May restore the power of the mighty EFF. This is a red train. This is an unstoppable train. No one is going to stand in front of it. If you stand in front of this moving train, we are going to crush you and proceed with the liberation of the African masses of our people. Comrades, 28th of May is a freedom day. Freedom is going to start here and spread all over South Africa. On the 28th of May, we are giving them warning because 2026 we are taking over all municipalities in South Africa, but start now. Hebare, ntoya EFF, itadile ko kai unka puso. What 16 even in the history of the economic liberation of South Africa. Amandla! Viva EFF, viva! Tata EFF, tata! I wule EFF, I wule! EFF, I wule! EFF, I wule! Down with imperialism, down! Down with imperialism, down! Oh no, Makubi! Siaya!